Little restriction down here in the sacrum and our L5 vertebrae. Good. Wow, gosh, that was loud. Let's see, let's go on the other side. There we go. Bend this top leg here. Good. So you can feel at our L2, L3, there's some joint misalignments in the vertebrae. We're going to go right into them and reset the joints. Great.
Just breathe normal now. Just like that. Home run. That's why we call it ring dinger. Yeah, she's still kicking. Okay, keep breathing. There you go.
Thanks, man.
There we go.
Oh.
And I'm not telling people to keep.
Here we go. That was right in here in the upper cervicals. Very good. Okay, so we're adjusting through the areas of restriction here. Okay, I want you to relax here. We're palpating again, adjusting through the area of restriction.
Take a breath in and out and let this just drop back. There you go.